Good morning, everyone. Respected Sir, Principal Madam, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Suraj. I am studying in Grade-5 in Alphabet Techno School. Today I am telling about the World Nature Conservation Day. Every year on 28th July, the World Nature Conservation Day is celebrated. It aims at increasing the awareness of the natural resources. Nature has provided us numerous gifts such as air, water, land, sunlight, minerals, plants and animals. We need to pay close attention to the conservation of these natural resources. Conservation goal includes conserving habitat, preventing deforestation, maintaining soil, organic matter, etc. Let us nurture nature to have a nurturing future. Thank you.